Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your eyes look big even without using the eyeliner. Because normally when we are making our eyes big, we always use the black eyeliner to give the definition. But today, we're not going to do that. We're just gonna use eyeshadow. And hopefully you like it. So I don't have makeup yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my makeup base, my foundation, my powder, eyebrows, etc. And then once it's done, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to do my eyes. Okay? So there you go. Nalagay ko na yung mga gusto kong ilagay. Pag-blush on na ako, and eyebrows, and whatever, lipstick, very mild lang, konti lang. So now, we're gonna start with the eyes na. As you can see, yung eyes ko, talagang maliit siya kapag walang makeup. Pero, since gusto ko kahit papano medyo malaki yung mata ko, dinadaya ko siya ng eyeshadow. And this makeup also is good for natural day makeup kasi very natural siya, hindi siya heavy. Kahit pag gagamit tayo ng black eyeshadow, it will still look natural in a day, in daytime, I mean. So, what we're gonna be using is, well, I'm gonna be using this Naked Smoky Urban Decay. Pero, you can use any brand, okay? Basta, ang gagamitin lang natin is, we're gonna stick into this neutral color and then, syempre, yung black color. Right? Let's start. So I will start with this color. It's called High. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes up to the middle, or just past the middle actually. Right. I'm using Sigma Blending E25. Alright? Ayan. Very natural. And then, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this one. It's called Dirty Sweet. I'm just gonna apply that, ayan, just after the middle of ano. See? It still look very natural. Now I'm gonna use different brush. This is Perm Blender, again from Sigma E44. I'll be using this Radar, the darkish brown. And then I'm gonna put that in the outer corner of my eyes, but I'm gonna blend it with the other colors. Ayan. And then to the other side naman. Dab, dab, dab. Just dab, dab, dab. Right? Now, I'm going to be changing my brush again, and I'm going to be using this Sigma Pencil E30. It has a smaller tip. Now, I'm gonna be using the black color. I'm gonna be putting that in the outer corner of my eyes. There. See how I started at the bottom? So it is darker at the bottom. Now I'm gonna blend it up. Like as I always say, do it lightly and be patient when it comes to blending. There. See that? Now here, you don't want that harsh line, so you wanna like lightly blend it. Now, here at the lower corner, I'm gonna add more. Can you see it's starting to get a little roundish here, whereas this eyes is still droopy and small. There, you can see the illusion. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to apply mascara. Like as I said, we're not going to use eyeliner. For my mascara, I'm gonna use my eyelashes curler. And then now, we're gonna proceed with the mascara, okay? I'm gonna do this side first so you can see the difference. So as you can see, this is now bigger or slightly bigger than this eyes. Now let me do the other side. Yan. So it is a really good day natural look makeup. Ayan. And it doesn't look so heavy in the eye area. I really like it. This is my favorite everyday makeup. I use this when I go to work and when I meet friends during daytime. Just like today, I'm gonna be meeting friends. So, there you go. Okay, I hope you like this makeup. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!